Alright, so it's time to do some cooking here. I have no clue
I
where.
want food. I'm gonna be waiting here watching you.
Yeah, alright. I have no clue where that pot went. A rubber mixing bowl. Very nice. So, back together and back together. Right, there we go. That's nice. And so we're just gonna be making some pancakes here. We're gonna have our trusty assistant here.
Me.
And we are going to start by opening some eggs. I'm gonna take out of the fridge. And we're going to crack 1 or 2 eggs. So we're gonna add 1 egg. Yeah.
Is this for the pancakes?
Yes, it is.
Get an overhead shot of that.
No shell stuck in there. Wait. Very nice. Put that away. Hands. Alright. Alright, so next, what do we need to add? Again, milk. Let me see here. So fridge, milk. Yes. Right. Milk. Work. And these eggs back because I was stupid. Extra large eggs. Alright. So now we're going to open up this milk. Get. We stand by. Yep.
I hate those things. They're so hard.
Alright, so
An inside look of the milk.
how much milk
It looks
exactly?
white.
I will be right back. Alright, so and now we are found out the milk measurement. We're gonna need a half cup. That is not half cup. That is also not half cup. A third. There it is, 1/2 cup. And we are going to be taking that over here. And because this needs some precision maneuvering, we will get our trusty assistant to be adding milk. That is not safe.
This is not sit here. I'm gonna hold it over.
No.
No. Okay.
Right here. We pour
Very good job.
let's not talk about that.
Get some towels or something.
And now we add the milk to the eggs. Set it on the towel. And reach by and get some towels and wipe the milk that I totally did not spill.
Never happened.
Yeah.
Let's take a good look at this.
Yeah. Alright, so let's see. What's next here? Flour. Sugar. Alright, so I'm going to be adding the flour.
Organic.
Typical white flour.
Got that white flour.
And yeah. So how much are we going to add? Alright, so we're going to go for measuring cup again. 2/3 cup. Actually, yeah, 2/3. Wait, how much a cup is this? Is this recording? Cut it out.
Okay.
Remember. Alright, so we're gonna get 2/3 cup of flour. Just gonna. Alright, and we're gonna use this other one to level it. Get that really nice, even cup of flour. Gonna add it in to the mix. So next, I believe you're going to be adding sugar. Technical difficulties. Alright, so we figured out here. Gonna add some sugar. Very nice. And sugar, just an 1/8 cup for the amount we are making.
So you could probably substitute sugar for stevia,
No,
but
no.
it just wouldn't taste as good.
It's all good. So take this sugar, and surprisingly, okay, this is good enough. So that sugar in doesn't kind of like a lot, but you know.
I mean, honestly, it's really not. It's just that. I mean, compared to how much sugars and other stuff, you know, like
And then we're gonna add some of this organic agave nectar.
organic.
Yeah,
Organic,
You
so
gotta
this
have,
is
you gotta
healthy.
have that organic.
All this is organic.
Let's see. Yeah, all right. So let's see. How much are we gonna add here? Just gonna add. We're just going to add a 1/2 tablespoon to. Yeah. And open up this and
Base sesame.
over. Just going to. Yep. And pour it. That's nice there. Let's just take a break while I wash all of this stuff.
Yeah. We'll be right back.
Alright, so now to add the finishing touch to this pancakes mix. So open up their drawer and yeah. And grab the salt and dump it up. Alright, so just gonna get
Your hands are clean, right?
yes.
Perfect. Yeah, you washed them like twice before
And
we filmed.
pinch of salt.
I just love the pinch of salt, man. It's just
That's very nice.
really.
And now it's time to whisk it all together. This right now looks a lot like eggs. Whisk, boy! Okay, it looks like I screwed up, and I almost forgot one of the most important things: baking powder. So you need 1 teaspoon of it. Gonna crack that lid open and open up this, and see all that white stuff.
Salt.
It's very finely ground salt, and we're just gonna brush that up against
Very
the side.
finely ground salt.
And I'm going to add that. Very nice. Set that aside. Very nice, and we're just gonna mix it in. Yeah, it's a nice consistency. Alright, so we've had our hot pan here. Pancake mix is already made. What we're gonna do, we're gonna come up here right next to it. We're gonna just take a scoop of that, but just let it kind of drip. Yeah, and boom, 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 and onto the pan. I don't know how good my pancake size estimates were, but seeing this, I think they were not very good. And now here, we're gonna have to turn it to low heat to prevent these things from frying. Okay, well this is gonna be a pretty bad first pancake. Let's see here. So it's gonna be kind of small and thick. To know when to turn it, you're gonna see bubbles popping up here.
I don't know if you can see that, but there
Yeah,
are
but-
some bubbles popping up.
but
and then the
not
texture,
right now.
the texture will like get bumpy. As you can see, it's kind of doing that.
I think I screwed up. Yeah, I screwed up. Hold on. I'm going to have to go wash this.
And it looks almost ready to flip, actually.
Alright, so clean spatula. You see these bubbles? You'd like a bit more. If you want to flip too, you might want to look at the edge there, because it'll be starting to get a bit brown right now. Like, you can kind of like tell when it's solidifying. So the next bubble that comes up and pops, that's when we're going to flip this bad boy. Actually, let's flip it right now. I don't want cooked pancakes. We're just gonna under it. Okay, well, my estimates of time are very disappointing.
Day 2.
Alright, so take 2. Let's not talk about that previous attempt. We're gonna come in with this. Yes. Okay. I'm very bad at pancake making, as you can tell from this. But most
Get the
appetizing.
little mini one. That's gonna be a little.
Oh
mini
god. Okay,
pancake.
that thing is dripping. We need to move that ASAP.
Very good. Very good.
And let's pan back on. Okay. All is
Now,
good.
last
We are
time.
not burning down the house. All's looking good. Heat is
Last attempt.
Yeah, this
That's
is.
what happened on both sides.
Let's just. All right. So now I predict that right now, will be a better time to flip it.
Oh, yeah, I can see from under it. Let's see from here. Yeah, Brian.
My pancake making skills have gone down a lot.
Day 3.
We're from HQ to not spread the bowl, so we're just going to hold this here.
30 seconds. Put them for 30 seconds, and then already looking good. Circular, unlike the last one.
And all my previous attempts.
No, that other one, last one was pretty circular.
All right, so we're just gonna let's go. Yeah, look at that.
When we see it start to like curl up on the edges, I guess.
Yeah, we're just gonna let that cook for a bit. Very nice.
This looks like a steak.
Or not. Let's wait a few more seconds. Good to flip. And to gently get this under the pancake. And flip.
Perfect.
Now that looks like
That is
a
a
much
pancake.
better pancake. Alright, so now we are going to be inserting the bacon here.
You have the pancake.
This looks like a bit of a short pan. Crap. Yeah, we're going to work around this difficulty by some tactical maneuvering.
Oh yeah, there you go.
And that's a piece of bacon coming in. And, it'll take a while to cook, so in the meantime, we're going to go into the counter here and take out a little bowl. And then we're going to head back to the fridge and cook something that we've already... Oh, well, never mind. This egg has magically appeared in front of us. Crack this egg. Okay.
Look at that.
Now we're going to take...
It's just like, imagine slurping that. You get some salt.
And now, let's check on this bacon.
Still a little brown.
What we're going to do after is, because the juices of the bacon are like dripping out of it from cooking, we're going to cook the eggs on it. It's going to have a nice flavor here.
A nice meaty,
And we're going to...
meaty flavor. Let's check on the bacon.
Yeah, let's check on bacon. Hopefully it's not overcooking or anything.
Oh yeah, that looks actually pretty good.
Just cook it a bit longer.
Take a look at these eggs.
And keep whisking it.
Pancakes, bacon, breakfast is all coming together.
To leave for a sec, and see if these are adequately whisked. Alright, so now we're gonna flip this bacon. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's very nice.
And now, because this side didn't get cooked, we're gonna fold that over, you see? And then this slice too, we're gonna be doing the
Oh, that's some nice bacon, bro. I'm not sure if the noises will pick up, but these are some very satisfying, like, crispy noises.
look at all of those, like, fatty
Juices, bro.
juices dripping out. Oh
And we're
my
doing
God.
this for health.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's one piece of bacon. Oh yeah, look at this whisk. Look at this whisk going on. Alright,
Look
so
at those sizzles, bro.
yeah, let's just get real close here and get into this.
Because
It's well, I've
it'll
done this
probably fog
before.
off the camera.
That's nice. And so now we're going to take these strips of bacon.
Oh,
Lay them
that is nice.
here, and you see all this bacon juices that have dripped out.
You know, what are you gonna do with all that bacon juice? What are you gonna do with it?
Cook the last remaining piece of bacon, because
Oh, yeah.
yeah, we didn't have enough space for
We'll just,
the
like,
first time. Let's cut this out. Don't want to get my hands too close to that.
imagine if that was, like, a hand. I mean, like, imagine if that was your hand. See what that's doing to bacon?
Get this bacon up.
Look at that. That's very nice and crispy.
Right, and now, while the pan's still hot with, that
What are
on.
you gonna do with all this bacon juice?
And now I'll take these eggs
So what are you
on
gonna
this
do with
pan
it?
with
What are
all
you
that
gonna
bacon.
put all that bacon
And
on? That is nice.
now
I will tell you
all
that.
the eggs are in there.
Okay, so
Start stirring.
for like the third time, I'm gonna say this: pancakes, bacon, eggs.
Alright, so now we're going to put the bacon on here. Single slice. And eggs cooking. We're going to everyone uses a spoon to get their stuff, but you see, spoons are for the weak.
We use chopsticks.
Pour it right off the pan with chopsticks. It's really nice. Guys, bacon, eggs over here, and we're going to finish it off with the pancake. Very nice, and yeah. Okay, so now to finish off this meal, one glass here, and well, what is this glass filled with? My friends? Is some chocolate milk, because I'm healthy. So,
Blur out the nutrition
just
facts.
pour Very nice.
That looks
yeah,
really thick on camera, but those are just bubbles.